Hey, welcome to the show. Today we have a division problem requested from one of my subscribers, import code 2428. I'm always looking at the comments for special requests or just loving to read your comments. So right now you can always put a comment down below, hit that likey button when you're down there, and also hit that subscribe button. All right, let's take a look at this. I'm going to move this name down over here. And once again, thank you very much for your request. When we do a division problem, we have 4 steps. We have divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. And if you like doing these, make sure you check out my other videos. All right, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to make this a little bit smaller to work with. So I'm going to go ahead and select this and then make this just a little bit smaller there. All right. So the first step is we're going to divide. How many times does 5 go into 2? Can't do it, can you? So you need to move over to the next number, 23. How many times does 5 go into 23? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, too big. So it's going to be 5 times 4, or 4 times I can put 5 into 23. So I'm going to put the 4 right here. Make sure I have my pen tool on. So here's the 4. And now my next step is multiply. I take 4 times 5 equals 20. So let's go ahead and put 20 right here. And now my next step is subtract. So here's subtraction here. And now 3 minus 0 is 3. And then 2 minus 2 is 0. Zip, you don't even need to put that down there. And then the next step is bring it down. Bring the next number down. And that's going to be the 4. So you just drop that 4 all the way down here. Boop. And then you start the whole process over. All right. So again, how many times does 5 go into 34? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 6 times. So 6 times 5 would be 30. So I'm going to go ahead and put 6 right here. And then 6 times 5, I'm multiplying. I'm doing the next step. 6 times 5 equals 30. Just like that. And now my next step is to subtract. Put the subtraction sign there. And then 4 minus 0 is 4. All right. Now, before I do the next step of bringing it down, I need to make the whole problem a little bit smaller. It's starting to get a little bit big here. I'm going to make this a little smaller here. That's why I love using the smart boards, is I can always move my numbers around. All right, I think this is good to work with. Now, the next step is to bring down. We're going to bring down the next number, which is the 5. Do a little beatbox in there. Yeah. And we'll put a 5 right there. And now we start the whole process over. How many times does 5 go into 45? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. 5 times 9 equals 45. So I'm going to go ahead and put the 9 right here. 9 times 5 equals 45. Next step is to subtract, which is a 0. There's no more numbers to bring down. That's a 0. There's no remainder. That's it. Our answer is 469. How'd you like that? Hey, before I move on, I'm just going to do a little shout out to, I think it's Denise Lucas, 2346. Thank you very much. Like I said, I'm always looking at the comments down below. Again, if you like this video, it really helps me out. Hit that likey button. Just hit that likey button a lot. Hit the subscribe button. Make sure you check out my other channels. I have a channel that I'm working hard on. It's called Dino Math. I'd sure appreciate it because we love dinosaurs on this show. So I'm devoting a whole channel to dinosaurs and mathematics. So check that out. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show. I hope you're going to have a beautiful day out there. Get some exercise. And we'll talk to you later. Adios. Goodbye.